Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I like to talk about how to make money online. I talk a lot about digital products and uploading to KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and selling your books on Amazon, but I'm calling this Reuse It May because, I have 4 kids, as you may or may not know, but I have 4 kids. I'm super busy. I've got another business I run. I run real estate with my husband. I have, I'm a wife. I have a part-time job. I'm in the Air Force Reserves. I'm pretty busy, and the past little bit, though, I've had a bad knee. I fell because I'm a klutz, and I fell, and so I've had some knee hip problems. And this month, it's been hurting me a lot. I don't mean this as a pity party, but here's the point, is I had some injections, and, walking has been really difficult for me. It's going to be difficult kind of this whole month for me to do stuff like that. So I was kind of thinking, how do I streamline and simplify my life? Well, one of the things I've done and that I like to do is I like to reuse the products I make. I like to create a lot of my own interiors and reuse them. And so when I'm reusing them, I want to put them certain other places. So the thing we're going to talk about this month, or I'm going to do a few YouTube videos, is about where places you can put them. One of them is Etsy, and I'll do another video later on. You can watch this. This will be in a Reuse It May playlist. And I'll talk about Etsy, and then I'll talk about a way that I do research in Etsy. And then I'm also going to have, you can create your own Shopify store, your own web store, and that is a really great way. I've done this in the past, and I took a really expensive course, and I did it, and it was kind of a frustrating experience for me, but I found another course that I like that you guys can check out and see if it's useful for you, that you can take your products and instead of, just making $2 or so on KDP, you can reuse and kind of update or change your products a little bit around and be able to sell them on your own website, on your own store. And I think this course is great. It talks too about, one of the things I like is it has a web e-commerce and how to get traffic type thing, and it talks about Pinterest. And you all know that I love Pinterest, and so if you're looking for kind of some more in-depth and some more ideas, this is good too. So I'm going to be talking about those in the rest of this playlist. So check that out, but one thing I do want to stress in this video, if you get anything out of this, just this video, is that if you create unique and interesting products and interiors, you should reuse them. You should take your work and, simplify your life by putting them on several really good platforms that you can take that work and kind of get, extra bonus points, extra money out of, right? And take the unique products you create and do something more than just put them on KDP and get maybe some higher profit margins through Etsy or through your own web store. And Etsy can be a nice gateway too to getting your own web store. So maybe you build up some traffic and you build up some brand recognition through Etsy, and then your next step can be to create your own web store once you have kind of a brand name established on Etsy. That's one good way. The nice thing about doing that is you have multiple streams of income. You're reusing stuff that you already have, and you don't reuse it exactly. I'll talk about that, but you want to reuse it in a way that you don't have to create everything from scratch, and that way you can kind of make several different products from some of the work you have done. And so I hope this is helpful, and I think you should consider that, because that is one of the things I like to do, to try and make different profits on different places and create multiple streams of income. So check out the playlist, and see you next time. Thanks. Bye.